is up, guys? Brit Tech here, back with another video, and today is the day. Yes, I received my iPhone 12 Pro from UPS, and I'm so excited. I couldn't even wait until I got home. I just wanted to unbox it right here in the car. So that's what today's video is going to be. It's going to be an unboxing. I'm sure you're aware by the title of this video, but yeah, let's get straight into it. Okay guys, so here it is, and I got the graphite colorway and the 128 gigabyte iPhone. I did that specifically because when I had the iPhone 11, it was only 64 gigabytes, and I don't use a lot of space on my phone, so I didn't see the point in getting the 256, you know, so I just got the 128 gig, and yeah, let's go ahead and open it up. So as you can see, the box is so much smaller, way smaller. And if you've been keeping up with Apple, you would know that is because they are trying to save the planet. No, I'm just kidding. They actually don't have the charging bricks anymore, or some of you would like to call it the power adapter. So it doesn't come with the power adapter, and it doesn't come with the earphones as well. But yeah guys, here it is, the graphite colorway, and right off the bat, guys, this thing is a beauty. Just at first glance, like, I had the iPhone 11 previously, and not the Pro or the Pro Max, just the 11, and just right off the bat, this thing is so much more sleek and just shiny, and oh, it's just amazing. So now let me go ahead and take it out the box. And right off the bat, you see the USB-C to Lightning cable, and then the instruction manual. Probably has the sticker in there, but we'll get to that later. And just looking at the phone, so this was the thing that set this phone apart from the iPhone 12 for me and helped me to make my decision. I'm loving the stainless steel band on the side. Like, this is beautiful, shiny. It just looks, it looks so good. Let's go ahead and take this off. Nice and easy. And this is the 6.1 inch ceramic display. Beautiful. Oh my God, Apple outdid themselves with this phone. I can literally practically see myself in the sides, and it's just a really, like, even the flat edges, I'm just feeling this. Sorry guys, but I am really feeling this phone. And I actually just noticed on this little sticker, it has like little icons for the mute, the up and down volume buttons, and then on this side it has the power buttons. So it was just showing you right here, you have the power on this side, and then of course the 5G antenna, and then speakers, and then on this side you'll find the mute toggle, and then the up and down volume. So, and then of course, you know, Apple on the back with the 3 cameras. Guys, like, round of applause for Apple. I'm loving this. And yeah, I'm gonna set this down for a second, and let's get into this. So as you can see, as I stated previously, there is no charging brick. You just get the USB-C to Lightning cable, and you'll have to use another charging brick. You have to buy one or use one that you already have. And then of course we have the information, the instruction manual, and of course we get that Apple sticker. Only get one this time, but we still get it. And then instruction manual, safety and handling, and this for your SIM card, the SIM card pin. And that is pretty much what comes in the box. So honestly guys, the thing that I'm looking forward to the most on this phone is going to be, hands down, the night mode features. Like, I'm so excited to be able to take pictures at night and it actually be quality photos, and you know, get a good quality picture with no blurriness or, you know, the flash acting all crazy. I'm just really excited to be able to use this feature on the phone. So please look out for more videos on that, because I'm definitely going to be doing videos on the camera, how-to videos, to help you guys set up your iPhone 12s. But also, guys, for me, the thing that set apart this phone from the 12 for me definitely is the stainless steel sides. As you know, the 12 has aluminum sides, and I'm just really digging this, how it looks just about like a mirror. Like, if you just look in it, you can see yourself, and it's pretty crazy, but I'm loving this new iPhone 12. Let's go ahead and turn it on. You just press the power button on the side right there, and as you can see, it is on. Light shining through. But yeah, guys, so I'm just gonna wrap up the video here. I'm not gonna go into many of the, you know, what the phone has on it or anything. I just wanted to do an unboxing and, you know, a first reaction for you guys. I'm super excited, and I can't wait for you guys to get your phones. But yeah, comment down below. Tell me what you think of the phone. How excited were you when you first received it? And yeah, guys, that's going to conclude this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Listen.